To make the leaves, we're going to draw a bunch of curved lines, like this. Some of the curves can be longer, some shorter, and some can be rounder than others. We're drawing a total of 15 curved lines that join together in the shape of a big cloud. But you can draw more or less if you like. Add some small and medium-sized circles inside the cloud shape. This will make our tree look thick and natural. Beautiful work, Lingokids! Now there are lots of places for birds to build their nests among all those leaves. Next, our tree needs a trunk so it can stand nice and tall in the ground. At the bottom of the leaves, add 2 slightly curved lines that go down to the ground. Now we'll add some branches. On each side of the trunk, draw 2 curved lines. The rough texture on a tree trunk comes from all its bark. To draw bark on your tree, add some squiggly lines up the trunk and on the branches. Wonderful job! Our tree looks great so far. Let's add some color to bring it to life. Grab the following colors: green, light green, dark green, brown, and dark brown. Use green to fill in the leaves. Remember, the leaves are the big cloud shape we drew at the top. Fill in the small circles in the leaves with light green and dark green. Now those leaves look beautiful and healthy. Use the brown color to fill in the trunk and branches. Trace over the squiggly lines on the tree trunk with the dark brown. You can also press harder to add dark brown under the leaves to show the shadows. Great work, kids! Your tree looks strong and healthy. Now that you know how to draw a tree, you can make more of them in different shapes and colors. You could draw a whole forest. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.